Hey guys, this is Virendra. I'd recently been to Sikkim and I thought I put my memories into a video. Sikkim, a very tiny state of the country located on very northeastern, extreme northeastern part of the country. The state is simply divided into four districts: north, south, east, west. Well, that's the only state that shares its border with three different countries like Nepal, China, and Bhutan. So you can imagine how unique the culture would be in the every part of the state. So it's not just the beauty of the nature; it's about the people as well. So they are very polite, very down to earth, very nice to talk to. Even you feel like you should start the conversation. They're really nice. So during my stay, I'd been to Gangtok, Namchi, Pelling. They're beautiful towns. Right, Gangtok is the capital, the very clean and the neat city that I've seen. Unfortunately, I couldn't get a chance to be into the northern part of the Sikkim. That's the North Sikkim district. So Lacheng, Lachung, Gurdongmar Lake, Yumtang Valley, they are said as the best things to be watched in Sikkim. So during my stay, it's not only Sikkim, I'd been to Darjeeling as well. I didn't find any difference in Darjeeling and the Sikkim. It's almost the same. The view of Kanchenjunga, the soothing atmosphere, polite people. Yeah. So I've put all that stuff in this video. I think you can enjoy. Thanks.
Hey, so starting with Gangtok. Gangtok is a city of flowers and one of the cleanest city in the country. While in Gangtok, we had been to Hanuman Tok, flower exhibition, peaceful monasteries, viewpoints, waterfalls and zoological park. Also enjoyed shopping on the MG Road. Gangtok's speciality is their all roads are decorated with flowers which gives you an awesome feeling.
जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, नींद नहीं आती, बड़ी लंबी रात है.
Right, this is East Sikkim. I'm near Changu Lake, which is around 40 kilometers from Gangtok, the capital. So, snowfall has already been started.
You can see lots of vehicles parked out there. So they allow only till 1 p.m. here. Post that army starts pushing people down.
Ah,
On the way to Peling from Gangtok, we have visited Namchi, the Char Dham and Lord Buddha Park. Clean and flowery temples along with the beauty of nature gives you inner peace. Om Namo Padme Hum. Pelling is a historical city of Sikkim and which was the second capital of the former kingdom of the state. We had been to tourist attractions like famous monasteries, scenic waterfalls, Rob Dynasty Palace to give you a historical feeling, and last but not the least, Singsto Bridge, which is the second highest hanging bridge in the Asia. Homestays in and near Pelling is a must-stay option which you should explore to get a feeling of nature and the rural Sikkim. And the famous Kanchenjunga is just a balcony away from any of the hotel. Now Darjeeling is a romantic city famous for hills, tea plantation and a UNESCO site Himalayan Railway and paradise for tea lovers. मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू? Darjeeling is one of the commonly used city for Bollywood movies. Indian Railway operates toy train from Darjeeling to Ghum, India's highest railway station. You can book the tickets locally over there. Darjeeling has lush tea green estates and a scenic beauty of hills. It also has tourist attractions like Batasia Loop, from where the train originates, rock garden, Japanese temples and peaceful monasteries. Shopping lovers are welcome here too, to visit mall market and purchase local art and craft.